Alright guys, welcome to the Tuesday Directions video. Today we are starting one of our two-day assignment. It's the Washington through Jefferson timeline. So I'll just click on it here. As you can probably tell, you'll be creating a timeline on a piece of paper. And you'll be kind of looking up some events here. So here's kind of what's going on. Once my entire screen wants to load real quick. It says, your job will be to create a visual timeline of the main events from the moment George Washington gets elected through Thomas Jefferson's presidency. So that's your time frame. Washington gets elected through Thomas Jefferson's presidency. I will start off by Googling those dates and figuring out what time frame you're looking at. So we got Washington through Jefferson's presidency. That's the time frame we're working with. So look it up, figure out what dates those are so you know where to fill in the gaps. And again, I'll kind of just draw it out real quick for you. But a timeline, guys, nothing too crazy. You'll just have, date 1, date 2. Let's see if I can bring it up there. And then your job is to try to find these little moments in between those two dates. I'll just kind of fake one here, and then so you just have little timeline dots on there. Okay, so that's your job for the next 2 days, is to figure out some events that have happened during this time frame. So feel free to use the internet to find events along with your notes and book. On the front side of the page, you should have a running timeline with the name of the event, dates, why it's important. You should have 15 to 20 events on your timeline. So basically, on the front side, on this thing, you should have, see these little like mini dots in between the big lines, those little dashes, those are events. So you'll put a dash, you'll put the name of the event, like for example, I'll give you one real quick. You could be like, the Louisiana Purchase. The dates, put those in. The Louisiana Purchase is important because it doubled the size, it more than doubled the size of America. And boom, then you can move on to your next event. So you'll do 15 through 20 events there, kind of depending on what you feel is important. So that'll be the front side, 15 to 20 events in your timeline on the front. And then on the back side, you will choose the 5 events that you think are the most important, and you'll just kind of stick figure draw them out. Pretty simple, pretty simply put. You can get as into as you want. You can use marker, crayon, whatever. If you want to use pencil, that's fine too. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions.